Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving into one of the most powerful design pattern in software architect, that is the publish subscribe model. Okay, so this is the agenda for our today video. Okay, so we'll start with what is publish subscribe model, why we need it, why it is better than other models. So all the models we have discussed in the last video, you can have a look. So what is the topic in publish subscribe model, and we'll have some real-time uses of that model, and we'll end this video by having an example that is a production grade C code and with a make file, and we'll try to explain how publish subscribe model works. Okay, so let's quickly start with what is publish subscribe model. So here it's a messaging pattern where the publisher sends the message to the subscriber. Okay, so the publisher, whoever is sending the message, don't know who are receiving that message. So think like a newspaper. The publisher prints the paper and the subscriber gets the topic they are interested in. Okay, for example, there are a lot of people that is reading that newspaper, but not all is reading the same news. So it depends on their interest. Okay, so this will explain how a publisher subscriber model works. Okay, so second point is why we need it. So we need publish subscribe model because it decouples sender and receiver. Publisher don't know how many subscribers exist or what they do with the data. This makes the system more flexible, scalable, and easier to maintain. Okay, so that's why, because all other models are tightly coupled. Okay, but this model is loosely coupled. So this is the reason why we need it. So the third point, why it is better than other models. Publisher subscribe model allow multiple subscriber to get the same event. Okay, it reduces the dependency between the components. It scales better in distribution system. So in short, it is more efficient when you have many consumer the same data. Okay, so now you understand, you have a broader picture what this model is, and on what you know basis it works. So next is what is topic in publish subscribe model. So topic is a category or a channel. So the publisher sent the message to the topic and the subscriber choose which topic they want. For example, we have a topic like sports. Okay, so we'll send a message like team A1. So whoever subscribe to our sports channel, they will get the message team A1. Okay. So similarly, for example, a subscriber is subscribed to a topic of weather. So is the publisher sends the message to the topic weather, like rain is expected, something like this. So whoever subscribe to that topic will get the message. Okay, so this is the core system of publish subscribe model, that is the topic. So where we are using this in real time. So we need to know who all apps are using it. So if you check WhatsApp groups, Slack channels, they all using this protocol of publish subscribe. We have stock market feeds. You subscribe to that channel, and whatever data uh, that is published by that stock market feeds, that you will get. But the stock market won't get that channel won't have information, whoever is subscribed to our channel, but they have some information, but not all. So we use this in IoT devices. For example, sensor publish the data and monitoring system is subscribed to that data. So it's heavily been used in IoT systems. So you ever thought of MQTT and other protocols which are using this model? Okay. So now we have the streaming platforms where you subscribe. For example, you subscribe to a channel like YouTube and you will get all the information, any news to that channel pops up. Okay. So these are some of the real-time uses of publish subscribe model. So let's start with the production grade application, which we discuss in the start of this video. So for that, I have a C architect. Let's check that first. So this is event driven demo. Okay, so this is a publish subscribe model. This is a demo of that publish subscribe model in here. So if I do tree hyphen L, so you'll see here I have two folders. Include, it contains the header files. I have a source folder which contain these four files, and I have a make file. Okay. So our source contain the main.c, then we have the publisher, we have the subscriber.c, and we have a publish subscriber, that is common function between publish and subscriber. And here we have some header files define event.h and publish subscribe.h. So we will quickly go to each of the file and see what it have. Okay. So better we'll go with main.c. Okay. So I'll open main.c and we'll check the main. So here, if we check the main properly, this app subscribed to a topic, that is event sports. Okay. Next, it is subscribed to event weather and event finance. So all the three topics they are subscribed to. Okay. We will see how this subscribe work and how this publish work. But for just a generic overview, we have subscribed to some topics that is listed here. Okay. So now we have the publisher, because we just subscribe to some topics, but we need a publisher who will send that data. So subscriber is just the receiver. Okay. So next we'll start with the publishing of a message, and we have published sport. So this published sport will send this message to our sports topic. Now the weather topic and the finance topic. So our publisher is sending to the topics only these data. And then we have to process that events. We have subscribed to the topics, we are publishing the topic, and we are processing the data that has been published as a subscriber because we are subscribed to that topic. So we can segregate this data as well. We can have subscriber as different app and publisher as different app. But for simplicity, I am putting all the things here. So they are subscribed to this topic, and when we publish it, after that we process that message and we'll get this information. Okay. So let's check the other file. So let's go for subscriber.c. So here I have some demo functions. Okay. So here we are just printing the data in here for the subscriber. Input is the event. Okay. So all have similar things. So whatever event is there, we are printing it. Okay. So we have three events here. So this is clear, I think. Now we'll go with publisher. Okay, so here we are publishing the events. So how we are publishing? We have all the three topics. We are publishing to all the three topics here. So here we have an event. So I'll show you what is this event. And we are copying this thing in this event data. So better we'll go to that event structure first to understand more about this. So first we'll go to include an event.h and we will see these are the event types. We have a enum that we are using in the main. Okay, and here we have the event type and the data here. Okay, so this is the structure for that event. So we are creating the event here, event sports. Okay, so once this is done, we are we are having some message. Okay, and this will populate this data field, and then we have publish. So let's see what is publish. So we'll go in pubs and we will have publish here. Okay, so what it is doing, it will capture the event in the queue. Okay, so we are using a queuing mechanism as a buffering. Okay, so what it does, we have a queue, it will save this event. And if we check the queue, here we have the event queue. Okay, subscription side, we have process events. So whatever is there in the queue, will retain it in this event, and then we'll check the event type of that topic, and we will process the subscription handler here. Okay, so I think you are clear till now, because we are using publish to publish the event mainly, and process event in the subscriber side to get that data from that queue. Okay, so we are using the buffered approach here to send the data as a publisher and get the data as a subscriber. Okay, so next thing is subscribe and unsubscribe. Okay, so for that we have a structure which contain the event type topic and subscriber handler here. Okay, so we have an array for that, and we have a maximum subscriber of 20. So 20 clients can connect to this publish subscribe model as a subscriber. Okay, so we can increase it depending on our requirement. Okay, so thing is, like, once we have this subscription, then we have this topic event, and we have a function as a subscriber here, and this topic and handler is mapped to this subscription array. Okay, so it will save the topic and the function, whatever we are getting from here, as a part of the subscriber, and it will increment the count as well. So in the unsubscribe section, whatever topic and subscriber function we are getting, we are just checking it, and we are removing it as a part of subscription array. Okay, so I will attach this code uh, to have a more broader view, so you can look at that as well. But for now, you understand we have publish, process events, and subscribe and subscribe here. Okay, so let's close it. So now you understand all the files which I mentioned here. Go with publish subscribable here we have this publish subscribe.h. Okay, so here I define these clear these four functions here, and we have a function pointer as well. Okay, which is a part of the function which we are sending as a subscriber event here. Okay, so I'll show you that event.h as well. So we have a event type and this structure as an event. So now we have seen all the files. So let's make it. So we'll see now the make file last. So here we have these four C files, and we are creating a target as app. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just make clean first, and now I make. So you will get the app now. Okay. So if I run this app, you see here, you start with the publishing of the message, ended publishing of the message, and now we get a sports subscriber. Team A won the match. Weather subscriber, rain expected tomorrow, and finance subscriber, stock market up 2% today. Okay. So if I go to the main again to show you, so here we have subscribed to these three events. Okay. Now, after publishing all this data as it in the topic form is there in the queue, and in process events we are processing that data which has been published in the queue one by one, and we are printing it. Okay, so this way we can get the output. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next session. Thanks.